Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. First question: which mosque is considered to be the style of Bengal style in Agra? Answer A. Nazina Masjid. Nazina Masjid is an architectural beauty in Agra Fort. It is located nearby another eye-catching masjid known as Moti Masjid. Next, India has longest international border with which country? Answer C. Bangladesh. The Bangladesh-India border, known locally as the International Border (IB), is an international border running between Bangladesh and India that demarcates the 8th division of Bangladesh and the Indian states. Next, the atomic power station in Rajasthan is situated at answer C. Rawatbhata. The Rajasthan Atomic Power Station is located at Rawatbhata in the state of Rajasthan, India. Next, Ajanta and Ellora caves are situated in which state of India? Answer C. Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora are two caves that have been listed among the UNESCO World Heritage Site of India, located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, India. Next, as per the structure and origin, the highland of Mahalaya is part of which of the following? Answer D. Peninsular Plateau. The highland plateau, fed by abundant rain, provided safety from flood and a rich soil. Next, in which city is India's oldest European source? Answer A. Kochi. Kochi is one of the oldest European sources in India and has great historical significance as a mute witness to the European colonial struggle in the subcontinent. Next, which city is located on the bank of the river Narmada? Answer A. Bharuch. Bharuch, formerly known as Brouch, is a city at the mouth of the river Narmada in Gujarat in western India. Next, the state having largest area under wasteland is? Answer A. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area and the 7th largest by population. It is on India's northwestern side. Next, Nanda Devi peak is located in which state? Answer B. Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is the second highest mountain in India after Kanchenjunga and the highest located entirely within the country. It is the 23rd highest peak in the world. Next, at Barren Island, the only active volcano in India is situated in? Answer B. Nicobar Islands. Barren Island is an island located in the Andaman Sea. It is the only confirmed active volcano in the Indian subcontinent. Next, which park also shared its boundaries with Bangladesh? Answer A. Sundarban National Park. Sundarban National Park is a national park, tiger reserve and biosphere reserve in West Bengal, India. It is part of the Sundarban on the Ganges Delta and adjacent to the Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. Next, Kolauttam and Solaya are the dance form of which of the two states? Answer B. Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Next, in which one of the following states is Loktak Lake situated? Answer C. Manipur. Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater sweet lake in the northeast India, also called the only floating lake in the world. Next, in dash forest, trees shed their leaves in a particular season? Answer C. Deciduous. Forest where a majority of the trees lost their foliage at the end of the typical growing season are called deciduous forest. Next, the city of Vijayanagar is also known as? Answer C. Hampi. Vijayanagar was the capital city of the historical Vijayanagar Empire, located on the bank of the Tungabhadra rivers. Next, which type of forest majorly comprises of lichen and mosses? Answer B. Tundra forest. Tundra is a type of biome where the tree growth is hindered by low temperature and short growing season. Next, which country has the smallest terrestrial border with India? Answer D. Bhutan. Bhutan-India border is the international border separating Bhutan and India. The border is 699 km long and adjoins the Indian state of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and Sikkim. Next, which national park in Nepal is a continuation of India's Valmiki National Park? Answer A. Chitwan National Park. Chitwan National Park is the first national park in Nepal. It was established in 1973 and granted the status of a World Heritage Site in 1984. Next, Duncan Passage is situated between? Answer D. South Andaman and Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is a strait in the Indian Ocean. It is about 48 km wide. Next, which of the following has maximum diurnal temperature difference? Answer A. Desert. High desert regions typically have the greatest diurnal temperature variation, while low-lying humid areas typically have the least. Next, why does the west coast of India receive more rainfall from southwest monsoon than the east coast? Answer B. The western Ghats obstruct the wind, causing rainfall. Next, which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer B. Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1,600 km, most of which lies on the Choyar Peninsula and a population of 60.8 million. Next, which river in the southern peninsula has the second largest river basin in India? Answer A. Godavari. The Godavari is India's second largest river after the Ganga and third largest in India. Drains about 10% of India's total geographical area. Next, in India, which type of forest among the following occupies the largest areas? Answer C. Tropical moist deciduous forest. Tropical and subtropical moist forest, also known as tropical moist forest, is a tropical and subtropical forest habitats type defined by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Next, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through the which of these Indian states? Answer D. Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. They are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tripura and Mizoram. Next, which river of India is called Brindaganga? Answer B. Godavari. The river Godavari is often referred to as Brindaganga because of its large size and extent among the peninsular rivers. Next, which latitude passes through the middle of India? Answer D. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, which is also referred to the Northern Tropic, is the most northerly circle of latitude on Earth at which the sun can be directly overhead. Next, which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? Answer C. Myanmar. Myanmar is bordered by Bangladesh and India to its northwest, China to its northeast, Laos and Thailand to its east and southeast, and the Andaman Sea and the Bay of Bengal to its south and southwest. Next, the significance of the state of Assam. Answer A. 5 national parks and 11 wildlife sanctuaries. Next, which of the following is a Trans-Himalayan river? Answer C. Indus. Trans-Himalayan rivers. These rivers originated beyond the Himalayas. They are the Indus, the Sutlej, and the Brahmaputra river. Next, India lies in the hemisphere. Answer A. Northern and eastern. As half of the Earth, northern hemisphere Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, Land and Water Hemisphere. Here India lies in Northern and Eastern. Next. Which region of India is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Answer B. Krishna Godavari Delta region. In India, Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region is called the Rice Bowl of India. Next. Which state is the easternmost state of India? Answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is an Indian state in northeast India. It was formed from the Northeast Frontier Agency (NEFA) region and became a state on 20 February 1987. It bordered the state of Assam and Nagaland to the south. Next. Which water body separated Andaman and Nicobar Island? Answer A. 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Andaman Island and Nicobar Island from each other in the Bay of Bengal. The two set of islands together from the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next. The deepest landlocked and protected fort in India is? Answer B. Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is the largest city and the proposed administrative capital of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is also the most populated city of the state. So friends, thank you everybody to stay with us, and a cordial request to everyone, if you think this channel is useful for your knowledge, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for our future notification. Till next, Allah Hafiz. Thanks a lot.